Hello friends, welcome to Waves Learning Center. In this video, we will get an overview of installing the .NET 4.5 framework. The first step we'll begin with is checking if it is pre-installed in our computer. Type Windows Features and you will get this turn Windows features on or off. Here you will see the Microsoft .NET Framework 3.5. So the framework is available but the version is wrong. We'll need to update the version or install a new one. Because this is not the version that we need, we'll just remove it. Once the uninstallation is complete, the next step is to download the new installation file for Framework 4.5 version. To download, we search for .NET Framework 4.5. Leads us to the Microsoft page for the same. Check the system requirements and click on download. The next step is to install the .NET Framework. Once the installation is complete, let's click on it to start the installation. Let's wait for the download and the installation to complete. Now that the installation is complete, you can run the Windows update. Once the installation is complete, we can confirm if the .NET Framework has been properly installed. One way of checking this is to check the Add Remove Programs dialog box. You can confirm the .NET Framework installed. My version here shows 4.72 after the update. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll learn to install Visual Studio Development Environment.